It's time to talk about the Galaxy A71 again. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video we have what I think are the 5 best things about the Samsung Galaxy A71. The Samsung Galaxy A71 has been a great experience so far and was a big eye-opener for myself on why people love Samsung devices so much. In this video, I'm going to list the 5 best things I think are about the Galaxy A71 in no particular order, starting with number 1, the display. The Galaxy A71 is equipped with a 6.7 Full HD Plus Infinity O display. It's a bright and crisp AMOLED display. No, it's not a 90 Hz or a 120 Hz display, but that's okay. And it's not a QHD either, but that does not take away from the pure enjoyment of gaming and watching content on this device. It's a great display. We all know that Samsung produces some of the best AMOLED displays out there, and they did not disappoint with the Galaxy A71. Now, I used to not be a fan of TouchWiz back in the days, but with the whole UI revamp that Samsung implemented a few years back, Samsung One UI has been a blast, and that is the number 2 best thing about the Galaxy A71. Samsung One UI is basically one UI across all Samsung phones, whether it be a budget or a flagship device. With the Galaxy A71, I started diving a little deeper into the One UI OS and explored all the custom abilities it allows you to customize and all the features the OS offers. And I was blown away by the sheer amount of useful features it offers. My experience was good, and I really started to see why people love their Samsung smartphones so much. But the best thing about One UI is that all those features and custom abilities, is that even a word? Or the abilities to customize your phone are the same across all Samsung devices. So for example, the same way you change or customize your display on your S20 Ultra, it's the same way you're gonna do it on the Galaxy A71. And by far that is the best user experience you can give a consumer. It's something that they love and know how to use when they get a new device. The third best thing about the Galaxy A71 is something like an anomaly. That's right, not even $1,000 or higher smartphones have this anymore. The Headphone Jack. The $400 Samsung Galaxy A71 has a headphone jack. It does. So you can enjoy all your favorite Backstreet Boys songs with your wired headphones that you refuse to let go in favor of wireless headphones. And if you're into creating content with your smartphone, you can now plug in a mic for video recording. So if you really like or need a headphone jack, then the A71 is the way to go. The fourth best thing was a little of a surprise to me. The Snapdragon 735 is the heart and soul of the Galaxy A71. It can handle any game any flagship can play. Day-to-day performance is amazing. Multitask with ease, consuming content, being productive, or simply conquering all your social media platforms, all can be done with the Galaxy A71. But that's not all. It's also a very power efficient processor. And with that being said, the fifth best thing about the Samsung Galaxy A71 is the 4500 milliamp hour battery inside. Having a huge battery being paired with the Snapdragon 735 is like a match made in heaven. You get great performance on day-to-day use and great battery life even when gaming. This can easily last you all day and even maybe 2 days depending on how hard you ride your device. I never really had a moment where I ran out of juice by the end of the day, but just in case you do, the 25-watt fast charging will get you up and running in minutes. Yup, it's that fast. Never did I ever have to think about the battery when using the Galaxy A71, and that on its own, it's a great feature to have. So there you have it, fam. These were the 5 best things I think about the Samsung Galaxy A71. Let me know what are your things that you like about your Galaxy A71. If I forgot to mention any of those things, leave them down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel and like what you saw, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you're notified when more Galaxy A71 videos drop. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.